it's Connor Branding or Connor here, bringing you guys a brand new video. So I haven't posted in about 6 or 7 months, so I'm gonna be one, a little awkward on camera, or not on camera but on voice. That proves it. And two, I'm just gonna make this like an informational video, just to tell you guys what this channel is gonna be about, what's gonna be posted on it, I guess, and where I want it to go. So starting off, basically my goals for the channel is just to stay consistent uploading, obviously hopefully grow a pretty big fan base on YouTube, but you know that comes with the time and consistency, just like anything else. So anyways, with what I want to upload to the channel, I want this to be fully around designing and my brand or company, business, whatever you want to call it, Connor Branding. I just kind of want it to revolve around that, help you guys. So I'll be posting tutorials, just so you guys can learn new stuff in Photoshop for new designers, and junior designers, whatever you want to call yourselves. So then besides that, I want to post some speed arts, maybe some vlogs and stuff eventually. I gotta look into cameras or just get more comfortable with posting to YouTube again, I guess, and talking to a screen. So once I get used to that, there should be some vlogs and more stuff like that. So other than that, if you guys have any video suggestions, post them in the comments below. If you're still watching, if you're watching to the end, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. I'm just gonna throw a quick little speed art up in the back. I'm pretty sure it's just me doing the line work on a client project, so I'm not sure how long that'll last or whatnot, or how entertaining it'll be, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. If you have any video suggestions, put them down there as well. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel if this sounds like some content that you'd be interested in watching, and turn on the post notifications bell. And all my social media links are down in the description below. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. It has been Connor Branding or Connor, and I'm out. Peace.